Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to see Mega Millions, USA Mega Million. This lotto, you find it under the United States country, then you select USA Mega Millions. The lotto which pay 190 for two numbers and 4,000 rand for three numbers if you bet with one rand. So if you win four numbers, it's 100,000 rand with your one rand betting amount. So today we're going to try to see if we can win it, of course, because we need that 100k, or at least we can get 20k. Let's see if we get it. Alright, last time we won doing this by first number and the bonus ball. First number and what and the bonus ball. Right, so since it worked, was 37, which didn't work because they used the 17 as a family of 7 instead of 4. There's 7. This is gonna give us 36. We can still use 36 since here we have a 33. Every time 33 play, it's being followed by 30. 30 is a number which you always like to play with the 3, and also 45 I like to play with 31. So let's go with a 30 and 31. That was the first strategy, guys. And the second strategy is to take the number which is sitting here and you add the number together. Then you do minus the number which is sitting here. It gave us 20. Then you take that 20, you do minus the answer you find here. That's where 17 come here. I'm gonna repeat it once again. All right. When you add this number together, they give you 37. Then you take a data 7, you do minus the last number, which is 57 minus 37 equal to 20. Then you take this 20, you do minus, also minus the answer you get. So I'm gonna take 37 minus 20, which gave me 17. If you do plus 20, it's gonna give us 57, of course, and then 57, which is so 17 is sitting there. Alright, so we're going to use this 36. 36 minus 56 is still 20. 20 minus 36 is gonna be 16. So play 16. We're gonna play 16 as well. If it's the first time, please remember to subscribe, to like and share, and or to follow in case you are watching this video from a YouTube page. Alright, because the video is going everywhere. Alright, so that was the first hint. Let's get money. Alright, so now you take this number, you add them together, it's gonna give us 8. Then you add the number which is sitting here, it's gonna be 16. That's where 16 is pinning to get 19. So 19 played on both sides. Did you see them? Alright, so I'm gonna do the same thing. We have a 22 and we have also 22 and add this one. 19 is 41, right? That is, but remember you can still do plus or minus. If I do minus, I'm gonna get 3. 22 minus 19 is 3. 3, or when you spin, is 30 and 33. This is how they spin these numbers on Mega Million Lotto. Every lotto which have 5 numbers out of something, 5 many set, they spin this many number like this. 3, 30, 33 is a spinning of each other. That's why 33 came. So we were expecting a 41 as well. Alright, 41, 30, 33. So which is okay because here we're having a 35. Right, 35, and then you add this one, which is look at this one. When you say it's 8 plus 8, it's 22 plus, but if because you can still say 8 minus 8, then you have a 22 and minus Here we have 35 and 26. 35 and 26, it's gonna give us 9. 35 and 26, when you do plus, it's gonna be 61. There you go. So we have a 9 and a 61. Let me just take the pencil. We have a 9 and a 61. Right? Remember? Alright. Kindly remember to subscribe, to like and share. Remember to do subscribe, to like and share. Alright. And remember to 2022. They are the numbers which also we played last week, including those numbers also supposed to drop. Every time your number doesn't drop, it doesn't mean that you should leave it to go. Okay? Yeah. So if 9 is 61, 16, because the 61 you can spin to 16 or 19. We have a 9, 16, 61, 2, 20, 22, which happened to come last week, right? And also, when you take this number, you add them together, it's gonna give us a 43. When you add this number together, it's gonna give us 35. So sometimes they're gonna take this number and they add them together and add this one together like this, right? Then they use this one, 43 and 65. However, 43 and 35. All right, so that is it. Now, when you check the family of 3, 33, 63, 13, 13, where is it? 23, 33, 43, 53, 33, come back. Family of 3, we have 53 and 43 to play, because we have a 35 here which can be 53, right? All right. Now it's time to use our number. The last number plus 75 is 63 plus 75 is equal to 138. So they use the 38 as it is, which is sitting there. Remember, they can still use also 38 plus or minus the front one. They can use a 13 as well. They can use that in the front and the back, 13 and 38 or 37 and 39. So they choose to use 38. Let's see what happened here. We have 57 plus 75. Here is a 2. I keep 1. 12. 12 and the 13. So the answer was 32. When you do plus or minus, the first number is 33. So they can still use the 32 as it is, or they can use 32 plus 1. Right. So among the family of 323 also look appeared, because remember here, when you take this number, we have 100, we have 75 and 49. 4, I keep 1, 11, 12. We have 24. Let me see. 24, 14. You can see they use also the first and the last number. 4, 14, 12, 24, 4, 14, and 25. They can also use the small number. All right. 1, 20, 1, 32. You can use 32, and also you can use 32 plus the first number, or 12 here, right? Let's go. 156. I'm sorry, 56 plus 75 is equal to 1. I keep 1. 12, 13. So we have 13. 131, sorry, 131. This can give us 11. This can give us 11. In a code, when there is a twin number, you add them together. We have 2, we have also 11, we have 32 and a 13 or 31. So among this number, 2 can be good. And also remember last time we had the 132, right, which is 32 plus 1 to give us 33. So they can focus on 31 or 11, right? Because if they added the 1 last time, doesn't mean that they must add 1 again. They can just play the number as it is, which is 31, or they can play the first and the last number, which is 11. Alright, so between 2 and 11, we can play only that. Alright, so we have 11, 13, or 31, and we have 2 as well, then 32. Alright, so that was the strategy, guys. Another one is taking the number and add them together and create the code. Create the code, for example, if I create here, I have a 111, then I have a 57, 1 is 68, then 1 is 86, 186. The answer was 186, guys. 186, which played 16 as 19 also. Then take it, add 19. When 186 add 19, let's see, we have 7 here, I keep, no, 5, I keep 1. 8 plus 6 is 9, and 10, I keep 1. So we have 205, and the 186. Then we have 391. So we have, that was the code for last time. Only 19, 17, 1, 19, 17. We have a 5 and 6, which is sitting there. We didn't have a 4 there. We didn't have a 3. Then we have 26. 26 is sitting there. Yeah, 17 and 45, 33 wasn't in the code, right? Sometimes the code will give you just few numbers. Here we have 43, 76, you add 45, gonna be 11, 12, add 56 is gonna be 771, so we have 177. Then I add 19. When I add 19 here, or 9 here is 6. 8 and 1, it's gonna be 9. So it'll be 196. Then when you add together is 3, 1, 3, 4, no, 6, 7, then 3. So that will be the code for today. We have 17, 19, we have also 37, right? We have 67 here, we have 30 something, let's see, yeah, 17, 19, 37, 67. Those are the code coming from the Mega Million code. We have 17, 19, and the 37 and the 67. Those are the numbers coming from, especially this one. Then we have a 1, 3. The missing number is 2, right? The missing number is 2. We can use it as 27 because 2 is missing and the hot number there is 3 and 7. So we can have a 23 and the 27 among these numbers. We have a 23 and the 27 because the 2 is not in the code on the small number. We can use it as 23 and the 27. Yeah. So let me read the numbers by the way. We have 9 is 61, 16 is 35, 2 20 22, 43, 11 13 31, 2 32, 17 19, 37 67, 27 and 23. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye.